Hello and welcome back to Life Blowout Prevention Project. Today we're going to be preventing a lot. We're going to be preventing physical stress, emotional stress, mental stress by doing something that is so simple that most people completely ignore to their detriment. And I of course talk about water. Don't go away. Pay attention. It is so important. When you walk around dehydrated, and there was a lot of studies that are done about this, when you walk around dehydrated, you have significantly impaired moods. Your ability to focus and concentrate is compromised. You're more susceptible to pain. You hurt more. Your joints get destroyed. Why? Because water is so crucial to our survival that if you're dehydrated, your body is going to prioritize. By the time your mouth is dry, you've been dehydrated for a very long time. And usually one of the first things that goes is your synovial fluid in your joints. So you developing arthritic problems and joint issues, and you're generally in a lot more pain. You have increased fatigue, increased irritability. You have a decreased ability to deal with difficult situations. Why is that? Because your brain is an electrical circuit. And just like an electrical circuit that's being used in a very intense way, it tends to overheat. So if you don't cool it, you're going to overheat the circuit, which is not going to work at its best. They even did the study where they compared driving dehydrated with driving drunk. And they found that it is just about comparable to driving with a legal limit of alcohol, which means you're not quite going to get arrested and get a DUI for driving dehydrated, but your reaction time and your ability to drive safely is significantly compromised. So how much water is enough water? So the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine determined that for men, it's about 3.7 liters of water. Yeah, that's about a gallon. For women, it is about 2.7 liters of water, and about 20% of that comes from food. So for women, probably I would say about 8 to 10 cups of water. For men, maybe 10 to 12. And again, this is such a very broad recommendations. You know, a woman who weighs 90 pounds is not going to need the same water as a woman who weighs 200 pounds. The same goes with men. So a general rule of thumb, you want to drink about half of your body weight in ounces of water. So if you weigh 180 pounds, you need to drink about 90 ounces of water. Sodas don't count. Highly caffeinated things probably shouldn't count either. They're slightly dehydrating. There is some debate around that, but err on the side of caution. I would recommend that if you are not drinking water right now, increase your hydration slowly. Otherwise, you're going to spend the whole day in the bathroom. So I would say increase it, bump it up about 1 glass of water every 4 or 5 days until you are at your recommended amount of water. You will find your energy levels will go up, your focus will go up, your aches and pains will go away, you will sleep better, your digestion will function better, everything's going to get better. And make sure you cut off your water about an hour and a half to 2 hours before bedtime. And empty your bladder before bed. Otherwise, your sleep will get disrupted by having to go pee in the middle of the night. So practice, drink your water, and I will see you at the next episode of Life Blowout Prevention Project. This is Ania Grimone. Subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.